Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility and safeguarding your current setup. Once done, back up your existing theme settings so you can revert if needed. Next, install the official theme installer or extract the MTZ into a temporary folder. This gives you access to assets. Make sure to keep the file structure intact when you unzip. If the installer prompts for permissions, grant them now so the process can write resources where required and avoid permission-related failures later. You now run the installer with elevated permissions to ensure it can place files system-wide. Once launched, import the MTZ file and apply core assets first, icons, styles, and system files, because these form the baseline. After core application, tweak fonts, wallpapers, and widget skins so everything aligns visually. This prevents conflicts. Save your adjustments as a named custom preset so you can reapply the exact configuration quickly. If prompted, restart the shell or launcher to finalize resource loading. To make the MTZ theme permanent, export the custom preset and copy the MTZ assets into a permanent theme directory that survives updates. System or user themes folder works. Then enable auto-load on startup in your launcher settings or create a small startup script that reapplies the preset at login. Once done, test by rebooting and confirming persistence. If the theme reverts, check file permissions, clear theme cache, and reapply the exported preset. That usually resolves missing asset or override problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.